We are delighted to confirm that Fashion Enter are the recipients of Postcode lottery funding. Back in November, we went up to Edinburgh and we presented why we thought we should be the winners of £250,000 worth of funding. This is because production in the UK has completely changed. Over the last 3 years, we've seen a dramatic decrease in the demand for new garments. Instead, people are being much more frugal. They are looking at their own garments and being far more sustainable than ever before. They are looking at repairs. So we put a case forward to say, let's change our factory. Let's change the way we are set up and let's look at redeveloping our site here in Haringey, ready to do repairs on scale. And this is the start of the journey. We're just going to show you now what we are currently doing for brands such as Patagonia and Burberry. We're working alongside United Repair Centre London to achieve these new repairs. But this is an exciting time. Let's have a word with two people, G, who is the manager of the section, and also Phyllis, who's one of our amazing inspectors. So G, what's all this? Look, parcels after parcels. Do you want to explain what's going on here?
Yeah, so these come into United Repair Centre. I'll unpack them, just label up any faults that have gone wrong, and then I'll give it to the machinist with the help of Phyllis, who helps me prepare, pack, and just prepare for the machinist. Really.
And what's great is that I don't know how many deliveries we get in a day. So how many would you say was in one cohort deliveries here?
This actually came in over 2 days.
Okay.
So it does fluctuate quite a bit, but at the moment it's building quite quickly. So I'd say around 50 a week at the moment.
50 a week, okay. So we want to quadruple that, don't we? Yeah. With this postcode lottery funding, we want to open the doors and make sure more and more people are doing recycling and repairs and upcycling as well. So Phyllis used to work next door, so she used to be in the finishing department, and we used to have thousands of garments. So what's going on here? What are you doing, Phyllis?
Unpick.
You unpick?
Yeah. It's here for zip, I'm unpick. After I'm take out teeth
Take the
and
teeth
put
out?
stopper. Yeah. I'm measure how many is this one.
Yeah.
After I'm checking after repair.
Yeah.
Packing.
Packing.
Sometimes open boxes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're very helpful.
She is amazing, aren't you, Phyllis? Yeah, we're very proud of you because Phyllis has changed jobs, and actually if we didn't do this, Phyllis wouldn't have a job.
Yeah, she's been very, very helpful.
So here you can see now repairs in action. And what I love about the repairs at the moment is that we use contrast, don't we? We're finding that customers are proud to wear garments that have been recycled, upcycled, repaired. And I think when you look at the different colours that can be used, it's almost adding a new dimension, don't you think?
Yeah, it's really cool. Plus the machinists get to be creative as well, so it's really exciting for them.
So it's bringing us to a closer customer experience as well. So thank you, Postcode Lottery. This is the week when the money is going to be drawn down. This is the week that we really start to actively give out the good messages that the doors are open, we're ready for repairs.